guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the AXO. Now I know a lot of us are facing the reality of self-isolation, self-quarantine and whatnot with all the COVID that's going around. I know it can be quite boring for those of you who are stuck in lockdown. Maybe you're going through a 14-day period of quarantine in a hotel somewhere. You might be bored, there's nothing to do. All you have is your smartphone. But that is just the thing you need to improve on your photography skills, and that is why today I want to share with you 5 mobile photography challenges that you can do yourself with just a simple smartphone. So for this challenge, I'm going to be using the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G because of its great camera system and the complete editing suite that is available right in the smartphone itself. So let's get started. So without further ado, let's get started with the first mobile photography challenge, which is the self-portrait challenge. So the theme to the self-portrait challenge is actually in your space. Now what this means is that you have to take a shot of you in your space that truly encompasses you and what truly defines you as maybe a person or your job or your hobby, and basically just capture a self-portrait with everything that best describes you. It can be anything. Another thing to note about the theme to this challenge is that you should be in your safe space. Now you can be in your living room, your kitchen, basically anywhere. Okay, next up is the macro challenge, where we get up close and personal with things that you don't usually photograph every day. So if your smartphone has a macro lens included, use it to capture up close shots of things you don't normally photograph, say styrofoam or water droplets. Normally you see an object on face value, but then when you get much closer, you can see the different details in it. Maybe currency notes, you'll see a lot of details in the prints. So the macro shot challenge can be anything. Just get up close and personal, capture as much details as you can. So next up is the ultra-wide challenge. Now this is as easy as the name suggests, to use your ultra-wide lens to capture your environment or local park, depending if you can go out. So be safe if you do. So practicing your ultra-wide shot will help you with your framing skills. You can better position your subjects or better frame your photographs to look as best as it can. Okay, so I know most of you would think that ultra-wide shot would definitely lead to scenic environments, ultra-wide shots of great landscapes. Yes, that is included, but you can also use it to make smaller objects look big. If you use it at certain angles, it will make your subject look more dramatic. Put it at a different angle, you get a different result. So we're very excited to see what you can come up with in your ultra wide angle challenge. Now moving on to the next challenge, this is the reflection challenge. As the name suggests, the reflection challenge involves reflections. First thing you'll think of, a mirror. Get a mirror, stand in front of a mirror, or don't even use a mirror at all. Find a puddle of water by the roadside, or use the water surface. Maybe you have a pool somewhere near you. That would be really useful for helping you achieve the reflection challenge. So play with your angles, play with how your reflections will look back at you or into the camera, and question yourself, like, when will my reflections show who I truly am? Alright, for the final challenge, this is the challenge that I'm most excited for personally. It is called the Don't Move challenge, where all you need is a location and your smartphone, put them together and you have the Don't Move challenge. So the only rule for the Don't Move challenge is that you have to be in the selected spot for maybe 10 minutes. You cannot move a single inch, and all you have to do is just take photos or even videos if you want to from the exact same spot. You can turn it around or spin, but that's all. You cannot take another step forward or back and unleash your creativity. You'll be surprised at what you can capture. Take in your environment, scan your ambience. You will find different things that you never noticed were there. How the light hits off the furniture, how things look different angles. The results can surprise you. So that is all from me for the 5 mobile photography challenges that you can do yourself during lockdown. My name is Terry, thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a like, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, I'll see you.